The Importance of Sending a Demand Letter, What You Need to Know, by Yoel Molina, ESQ. Good morning, and thank you for taking the time to listen. If you are listening to this, you likely have a pending legal matter in one of our service areas and are considering hiring us to send a demand letter on your behalf. Typically, clients come to us for this service because someone has failed to pay them, breached a contract, or otherwise not fulfilled their obligations. We are happy to provide this service and always strive to be as transparent as possible about what it entails. A demand letter is often the best first step in attempting to resolve a legal dispute before escalating to litigation. There are several important reasons for this. Why sending a demand letter is a smart first step. It establishes a formal attempt to resolve the issue. Before resorting to costly litigation, it is beneficial to show that you have made a reasonable effort to settle the matter amicably. This can later be used as evidence in negotiations, mediation, arbitration, or even court proceedings. It ensures the right people are made aware of the issue. Sometimes, the decision maker, whether it's a manager, owner, or legal representative, may not even be aware of the problem. A properly written letter spells everything out clearly and forces the other party to acknowledge the situation. It can lead to a swift resolution. Many legal disputes can be settled without litigation once the other party understands the seriousness of the claim and the potential consequences of inaction. That said, while a demand letter is often effective, there are no guarantees. Understanding the risks and costs. While we have seen many successful outcomes with demand letters, we have also seen cases where the recipient ignores the letter or refuses to negotiate. Clients should be aware that even if their claim is valid, the other party may choose not to respond, deny liability, or refuse to settle. Properly preparing a demand letter takes time and effort. To ensure it is legally sound and persuasive, we must conduct legal research, review relevant documents, contracts, and emails, identify the strongest legal arguments, draft the letter in a professional and strategic manner. This process is included in our flat fee pricing for the service. However, please note that our fee does not cover additional costs such as mailing fees, e.g., certified mail, any follow-up negotiations, any additional legal steps beyond the letter itself. If the demand letter does not resolve the issue, the next step may be litigation, and this is where clients must consider their options carefully. What happens if litigation is needed? Litigation in the U.S. can be extremely expensive. Even in straightforward cases, clients should expect initial litigation costs of around $7,000 or more. Legal fees that can easily exceed $15,000, $20,000, often reaching $50,000 or more in complex cases. A lengthy process that can take 2 years or longer. No guarantee of winning, and even if you do win, no guarantee of collecting if the other party lacks the ability to pay. Because of these realities, we always advise clients to treat litigation as a business decision. Consider the amount you are owed, the cost of pursuing litigation, the likelihood of collecting the debt if you win. Even if your contract includes a right to recover legal fees, it does not guarantee that the other party will actually have the funds to pay you even if you prevail in court. When does a demand letter make sense? In most cases, we strongly recommend sending a demand letter because it is a low-cost, high-reward option with minimal risk. However, there are exceptions. If your claim is under $5,000, sending a demand letter may still make sense, but litigation would likely not be cost-effective. If the letter is ignored, pursuing the case in small claims court on your own may be a better alternative. Next steps. If you are ready to proceed, we will review all relevant documents related to your case. Provide you with a flat fee for drafting the demand letter. Draft and send the letter on your behalf. This service does not include negotiation or litigation. If the recipient ignores the letter or refuses to comply, we can discuss next steps, but additional costs will apply. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, sending a demand letter is often a wise first step. It is an affordable, strategic, and professional way to pursue what you are owed while avoiding costly litigation when possible. However, it is essential to enter the process with realistic expectations. If you believe a demand letter is the right choice for your situation, please let us know so we can assist you. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to helping you resolve your legal matter. Yoel Molina, ESQ. Law Office of Yoel Molina, P.A. www.yoelmolina.com. email@malooffice.com. Telephone, 786-828-6074.